Hello guys, I'm Paris, your options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And this week, if you see, the markets were sort of a bit disappointing. We were expecting the markets would go a bit trending either on the upside or on the downside, but not really. Markets didn't really go that well, right? On Friday also, if you see, Bank Nifty saw a very good recovery. Nifty not really so much. Nifty made a very small candle. But does that mean that the market has become positive? Because Bank Nifty has covered almost more than 50% of the previous day of basically Thursday's fall, right? So what can we do over here is very simple, going to be very simple. Now we cannot buy over here in the market because there is a very good resistance of 46,050 to 46,000 on the upside. Until and unless this resistance is broken on the upside, we cannot really take a buying position. Another thing to watch out is going to be 46,170 in futures, because most of the positions have been made over here. This is volume profile. Basically this tells us where are most of the positions in the market made, or where is most of the volume that has come in the market at what price. So that is also coming near 46,170. That means when the market will go up, a lot of sellers will get a chance to a lot of sellers will get a chance to either add on to their position, and a lot of buyers will get a chance to exit their positions. So until unless 46,180 is broken in futures, and 46,000 in spot is broken, we cannot really go ahead and take a bullish position. However, when the market comes up near this level, near 46,000 to 46,050 on the upside, in 5-minute chart if you go, there is also this level of 45,930 to 950. So basically in this zone where the market saw very good selling coming in, if we see that market is again coming at this level and we are selling from that zone, if we are seeing selling from coming from that zone, that is when we can go ahead and take a short trade from there also, again on the downside. Because until unless 46,000 is not broken, we cannot really say that yes, the reversal has completely happened. Yes, you can say that market has recovered a lot of this fall, and it looks, and market has also started to make positive price action over here, high rise. But still, the best thing would be to wait until unless 46,000 is sustained on the upside. Once we are above 46,000, that is when we can say that yes, the market has sort of reversed. Then we can expect an upside momentum, very good upside momentum, easily till 47,000 to 47,200 on the upside in Bank Nifty, because that is where the next resistance is in Bank Nifty, and there Bank Nifty will take a little bit of resistance and then maybe continue on the upside. But yes, I hope you guys understand what is happening over here. uh, so yes, very simple. If we are seeing that market is taking very good resistance from 46,180 in futures, and if you're seeing that market has started to make negative price action over there, that is where you guys can go ahead and take a short position also from this level. Because maybe this short covering could very well be the short covering by people who do not want to carry their positions overnight, right? So overnight as in over the weekend, right? Because there is a there are 2 days of holiday, right? And some people might think that okay, covering your short positions right now and making them on in next week is going to be much better option, right? So still, best thing would be to take a short position until unless 46,000 is broken. So I will also think about taking a short position if I see that market is taking good rejection from this zone, right? On the downside, 45,400 to basically 300 is going to be a very important area. Actually 45,450 to 350 is going to be a much more important area, right? This 100-point range is going to be very important, because below this level is where a lot of people will start squaring off their long positions. So below 45,400, let's take 45,400 for simplicity. Below 45,400, once you start to see that market is making negative price action, either by opening with a gap down or coming down, right? But if you see market has closed at 45,630, so the best thing would be if market opens with a good enough gap down, let's say near 45,500, if then it starts to make negative price action below 45,400, that is when we can go ahead and take a bearish trend, and then we can easily keep very big targets on the downside, because then the market will not stop over here. Why? Very simple. A lot of people who would have bought in this up move over here, if they see first of all that market is opening with a gap down, they will start panicking. Second thing, a lot of people who would have maybe bought at lower levels also, if they are seeing that there is a big dip in their profit and market is not waiting over here, they will also start squaring off their positions, which will lead to a lot of weakness in the market, and then the market will not be able to sustain, and then this will just be a fall, a pullback, and then again the fall will continue on the downside till 44,200 on the downside, right? Now 44,200 will be our target on the downside. We will not keep a big target, because if you see, there is this trend line which is coming from the downside, which will act as a support for at least once, and then once we have seen a little bit of retest coming in from this trend line, then we can expect the market to again move on the downside if it has to. So I hope that is very clear for you guys. If you open with a gap up and if you're seeing that market has started to make negative price action at higher levels itself, right? But again, wait for proper negative price action and only then go ahead and take a short trade at higher levels, right? Just look at the strength in selling that is coming from this zone. If you are seeing that market is selling off very fast, that is only where you can go. That is only where you should think about taking a short position. But if you are seeing that market is sustaining near this zone itself and not going down very fast, then do not take a short position, right? So I hope that is clear for you guys. Talking about Nifty, Nifty is one thing that is not really giving confidence to buyers over here, because if you see Bank Nifty has recovered a lot of this fall, right? But Nifty, if you see, has not recovered a lot of this fall, right? Nifty hasn't even crossed this basically zone over here. So again, because of this also, it's not really giving us a lot of confidence to take a short position, to take a long position in Nifty. But again, what you can do is about 21,800. Once Nifty starts sustaining about 21,800, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish position till 21,880. First of all, that will be your first target, and then this trend line over here on the upside, which is coming, and that will be our second target on the upside, because chances are maybe Nifty might go up till this trend line and then again start to come down from there, right? So please do not keep big targets. But yes, if Nifty goes up till that trend line, which is again something like 120 points away, then Bank Nifty will also get some strength. Then if Nifty sustains near the top of the trend line, then chances are maybe Bank Nifty will also see even more short covering on the upside. But again, if you see, Nifty didn't really move a lot, which is the one thing that gives you a sort of bearish vibe. And so if Nifty opens with a gap down below 21,720, once we start to see that Nifty sustaining below 21,720, that is when we can go ahead and take a bearish position. First target will be this trend line, or 21,650 on the down, 640 on the downside. That will be our first target. But after that, chances are very well that Nifty will break this trend line and go down till 21,500 very fast, because if it has to break this trend line, it will not really wait for a long time. So tomorrow, if you open with a gap down and start sustaining below 21,720 and make negative price action, that is where we can keep a bearish view on Nifty till 21,640 first of all, and then 21,500 on the downside. These will be our two targets very easily, right? And yes, Nifty is the one reason that because of which we cannot really be very confident of this up move in Bank Nifty that has come on Friday, right? Because if it really was a broad-based short covering, then Nifty should have also gone up, right? But yes, anyways, I hope this analysis covers up what exactly is happening in the market. And again, I am still not bullish in the market because of the way that Bank Nifty is trading over here. Until unless we go above 46,000, chances are that market will sort of stay a little bit weak, and this could very well be just a little bit of short covering. For Nifty, if you see, Nifty is still at all-time highs, yes, but yes, even if Nifty has to go up, it will not wait for a long time over here. It will move up very fast from here if Nifty has to move up, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.